morning. Welcome to Influence Top Tips, where we give you some great tips on how to use the Influence software. We often get asked how to edit or amend templates, and like most things in Influence, this is actually really easy. So I'm going to go to a candidate record, and here you can see I have a list of candidates. The easiest way to manage your templates is to actually go and edit them from where you would use them. So in this case, I'm going to find a candidate. I'm going to click on their email address as if I were going to send them a template, and I'm going to pick a call type. So in this case, I'm going to pick my candidate templates. And you can see I get a choice of existing templates. I can choose a template, which will pick up and apply that template. But if I wish to edit or make a new template, I simply click the Edit button. Once you click Edit, the system will open our template designer, and you can see it tells you all about this template. It tells you the method, which is email, it tells you the call type, which is candidate templates, and it tells you where this template belongs. So in this case, it relates to candidates. If I wish to create a new template, I simply click the Copy button at the bottom of the screen. As soon as I do that, it creates a new version of that template. I can give my template a name. So in this case, I'm going to say, sorry, you are leaving us. I can give the template a subject, and this is the subject that users will see on their email. Finally, I can replace all of the text in the middle here. Now, if I want to write an email, I can type my text in here. There we go. And that's ready to go. Once I've got my template, Apply will save that template, and I can choose whether this template is personal and will just appear in front of my user, or whether it's a shared template that is available to all users of the database. Now, the last bit about designing templates is that you often want to pull in bits of information. So in this case, because I'm sending it to a candidate, I'd like to at the beginning say hi and put the candidate's name in there. So what I usually do is I write my information, and then at the left hand side here, I'm going to choose the candidates section here. Click. And because I want to find their forename, I'm going to scroll down the list of fields here until I find forename, and simply double click, click. And you can see that it's inserted the field for the candidate forename into my template. Yep. So nice and easy. Once I've done that, apply and OK, and that template is now available. So I can come out of here and I can go to any candidate I like, such as this guy, click on his email, choose the call type, which is a candidate email, and then I've got the sorry you are leaving us, click. And you can see it says hi Charlie. If I picked it for a different candidate, let's pick it for Andy here, I'm going to go click on Andy's email, choose my call type, and pick the sorry you're leaving. And you see it says hi Andy. Again, if I want to edit that existing template, it's the same thing. Click the edit button and it will open up the template designer. If I want to add the candidate's mobile number, we have your mobile number as, and then I can put in their mobile number. So again, I'd go click on candidates, I'd find their mobile phone number, and just, because I've put my cursor there, double click, and it will insert the right field. I can even make that stand out by selecting the field and editing the colour, so let's make that nice and bright. Apply and OK. So at that point, if I re-pick my template, we're sorry you wish to leave us, we have your mobile number as, and it inserts the mobile number. And that principle is the same for all records. So again, if I wanted to communicate with a contact, I'm going to go into a company. I'm going to go into the company record, and I'm going to find one of my existing contacts. So I'm going to click on the email for Colin here, click. Once I do that, I can choose a call type. I'm going to send a contact email, and you see I don't have any emails. Doesn't matter, if I click the edit button, it will open up my template designer. I want to send an email, for this reason, going outwards to a contact. The priority in able to see this, I can set my priority as 99, and I can set the display priority for who can see this to a nice low level 10 to make sure all users can see this template. I'm going to make it a shared template. I want to say, hi, contact's name. Thank you for speaking to me earlier. I will send over some information So there's my nice little template. I'm going to call this my simple intro template, and I'm going to give it a name that they're going to see as the subject. Now I've got that, the only tricky bit is the contact forename here, because I'm sending it to a contact. So at the left hand side I'm going to choose my contacts, and I'm going to choose their forename. Double click, and it inserts the field there. Hit the apply button, that's saved my template, and now I can send that template to any contact I like. So if I go to a different company, let's go into the company called Little Fish. I'm going to send it to Fred, the branch manager. So I go click on his email, choose my call type, contact emails, and there's my simple intro. Hi Fred, thanks for speaking to me earlier. So as you can see, adding templates is really nice and simple. To send the template, click the apply button. Once you click the apply button, it will pass the email across to Outlook for you, attach your signature, and you can then send that email just like any other email. I hope that's been a useful introduction to templates. For more information, please contact Influence.